Fresh banana leaves are carefully selected from large plantations. Only strong, healthy leaves move to the manufacturing process.
The harvested leaves arrive for quality inspection. Moisture content is measured before processing begins.
High-pressure washing removes soil and contaminants. Clean fibers are essential for soft baby products.
Damaged sections are removed automatically. Only premium leaf material continues forward.
The leaves are reduced into smaller pieces. This prepares the material for fiber extraction. Powerful rollers separate natural fibers. Cellulose-rich strands begin to appear.
The extracted fibers are thoroughly cleaned. Remaining plant particles are removed.
Controlled heat removes excess moisture. The fibers become lighter and stronger.
Refining aligns the natural fibers. This improves softness and consistency. The fibers are transformed into soft pulp. This pulp becomes the foundation material. The pulp is filtered to remove excess water. A thicker cellulose material is prepared for refining. An eco-friendly treatment brightens the cellulose fibers. This improves cleanliness and appearance.
The pulp is stabilized after whitening. Precise pH control protects fiber quality.
Secondary refining creates ultra-soft fibers. The material becomes suitable for baby products. The refined pulp is formed into continuous sheets. Water separation begins the solid structure. Press rollers remove additional moisture. The sheet becomes denser and stronger.
Controlled drying removes remaining moisture. The fiber sheet reaches production quality.
Softening equipment improves comfort. The fibers gain a gentler texture.
The softened fibers become fluffy, absorbent material. This layer forms the diaper core. Absorbent cores are precisely formed. Uniform thickness ensures reliable performance.
A soft top layer is added above the absorbent core. This layer stays gentle against a baby's skin.
A waterproof backing layer is attached. This helps prevent leakage during use. Ultrasonic bonding joins the layers securely. No stitching is required in this process.
Leak barriers are added to both sides. These help contain moisture effectively. Elastic strands create flexible leg openings. This improves comfort and fit. A flexible waistband is attached. It allows the diaper to fit securely.
Fastening tabs are attached automatically. They allow easy adjustment during use.
Each diaper is cut into its final shape. Precision cutting ensures uniform dimensions. Automated cameras inspect every product. Defects are identified instantly.
Leak resistance is verified. Quality standards remain strict.
Finished diapers are counted automatically. Packaging preparation begins.
Each diaper pack is sealed hygienically. Protection is maintained during shipping.
Retail cartons are filled automatically. Products are now ready for storage.
Another portion of the fibers becomes baby blankets. The process now shifts to textile production. Refined banana fibers are blended for consistency. Uniform fibers help create a soft blanket structure.
The carding machine aligns every fiber strand. This creates a smooth and even blanket base. The carding machine aligns every fiber strand. This creates a smooth and even blanket base.
The aligned fibers form a continuous blanket web.
This thin layer becomes the foundation material. Several fiber layers are combined together. This increases blanket thickness and softness. Needle punching mechanically locks the fibers. The blanket structure becomes stronger. Thermal bonding improves durability. The blanket gains long-lasting strength. The bonded blanket is carefully cooled. This preserves the newly formed structure. Calibration ensures consistent thickness. Every blanket meets exact specifications. Surface brushing creates extra softness. The blanket becomes comfortable for babies. The blanket material is cut into final dimensions. Precision cutting reduces waste. Edges are folded for a cleaner finish. This prepares the blanket for stitching. Strong stitching secures the folded edges. This improves durability during use. Decorative stitching enhances the final appearance. The blanket now has a premium finish. Each blanket is tested for softness and comfort. Only approved blankets move to final packaging. Each blanket is tested for softness and comfort. Only approved blankets move to final packaging. Blankets are tested for durability. Strength standards must be met before approval. Every blanket receives a final visual inspection. Even small defects are removed. Approved blankets are folded automatically. This prepares them for packaging. Protective wrapping keeps products clean. It also protects blankets during transport.
Finished blankets are packed into retail cartons. The products are now ready for shipment. Product information is applied automatically. Each blanket receives identification labels.
Cartons are stacked for warehouse storage. Automation improves speed and accuracy. Protective wrapping secures the pallet load. This prevents movement during transport. From natural banana leaves to premium baby products, an innovative manufacturing journey is complete. Shipping labels are generated automatically. Each pallet receives tracking information. Barcode systems verify every shipment. This ensures accurate inventory tracking. Shipment information is registered digitally. Inventory records update in real time. Approved shipments move to loading docks. The final stage of distribution begins. Forklifts prepare shipments for loading. Safety procedures are carefully followed.
Finished products are loaded for transport. Each load is secured for safe delivery.
Shipping documentation is finalized. All records are verified before departure.
The warehouse stores thousands of finished products. Every item is prepared for delivery. The finished Pampers combine comfort and absorbency. Natural banana fibers form the core material. The blankets offer softness and durability. Every piece is carefully manufactured.
2 premium baby products from 1 natural source. Banana leaves are transformed into useful essentials.
Final approval confirms production quality. Every requirement has been successfully met. The finished products begin their journey. Distribution starts from the factory gates. Shipments leave for retailers and distributors. The manufacturing process is complete. From simple banana leaves to premium baby Pampers and blankets, a remarkable manufacturing journey comes to an end.